Professional teeth whitening is one of the most popular cosmetic dental treatments in Australia today. It is a fast, non-invasive treatment to enhance one's smile. We offer tailored teeth whitening designed to restore balance, harmony, and beauty to your smile. The perfect smile is a personal and individual perception. We will consult with you to discuss your preferences, timing of treatment, and lifestyle to deliver a customized treatment plan that is right for you. Several of our patients have benefited greatly from this rather simple and non-invasive procedure. Contact us today to find out more. Teeth whitening is ideal for patients with permanent teeth that are affected by stubborn, extrinsic surface staining. One should have good oral health before the start of the whitening process. We help you through this process and achieve positive results in short time frames. We can help whiten your teeth in several ways, one of which is professional chairside teeth whitening, sometimes known as laser teeth bleaching. Teeth whitening procedures are carried out at our dental practice in just one visit. Under the careful control of our specialist team, patients experience quick and immediate results. The procedure is ideal for removing most external staining and is usually carried out after a clean to help achieve the best result possible. After discussing the appropriate shade for your teeth, the whitening procedure is carried out. This takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour to complete. For best results, it is suggested that patients aim for a natural looking color that best complements their skin tone. Should you prefer to whiten your teeth in the comfort of your own home, we will provide custom whitening trays designed to fit your smile. Your trays are filled with whitening gel and worn directly over your teeth, either for a few hours during the day or overnight. The gel is formulated to deliver maximum results whilst minimizing sensitivity, and typically patients see results in 2 to 4 weeks' time. Alternatively, combination teeth whitening is an option. We can customize teeth whitening treatment, allowing you to be in full control of the whitening process. We can also offer an initial chairside tooth whitening treatment at our dental practice here in Kew, followed by a lower strength take-home teeth whitening kit to increase the lightness of your smile in the comfort of your own home.